here on the very first day of INDIAWOOD on the very happy occasion, and we are happy to have Mr. Ingo Bathe. He's the Director of International Business of IMOS AG. Very good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
So my first question would be, tell us about your experience about the first day. Like, are you excited?
We are excited to meet our existing customers. We are excited to meet our prospect customers from tomorrow, and we are excited to be in India like always. As you know, India is for us the most important market in international business. That's why also we display so many new things here, and we are super happy to be in Delhi this time and be part of the show. Yes, of course, we are excited.
And also, what do you expect from this edition of INDIAWOOD?
Well, it's the first time it's called INDIAWOOD, and our expectations will be, of course, that we meet our customers from the north, that we have new prospect customers. The INDIAWOOD is a great platform of meeting customers in a B2B environment. We meet all our machine partners in here for the machines, for the supply industry. We have a lot of collaboration here in terms of education with the FFSC people. So it is for us the platform in India where we can have great talks and great meetings and networking to customers and partners. So that's why we're here, of course.
Sure. So according to you, how Indian woodworking market is booming and what are the present outcomes you are witnessing right now?
Well, last year we did a review of the Indian market and what's happened in India with us and with the market itself. And we have figured out that India became top one for us in international business. And the people in India, they are picking up very fast technology services. We are here to answer the technology questions of our customers. And what we have figured out is that Indian companies are look forward to have more technology-driven technology in their daily business. So everything what we see here in customer talks is all data-driven ideas, automation of their workflows, automation of their platforms, and most likely we have customers who have an omni-channel business. They have online sales solutions combined with offline experience centers, and everything ends up in digital services from sales into manufacturing processes, which we love to automate, and this is what we are looking forward to do. So yes, it's for us a great challenge and a great opportunity as well.
That's great. And what are the prime innovations you bring here? Is there any special product you are showcasing this time?
The new trend is what we have are cloud services. So we have two of them developed for customers worldwide, also especially in India. And one of those innovation is already the IX Showcase, in which you can display 3D designs to customers itself. So you can share this design to their mobile devices together with quotations, renderings, floor plan elevations. And the second innovation is the IX Scout, in which we have a digital folder, 3D information, or the production information in a cloud-based solution as a service, where we are guiding people in production, as well as where we are guiding also installation teams. So they will see the installation guideline, how to install a kitchen, for example, how to install a wardrobe. They have communication options in it, in which they can just easily scan and barcode and report back damaged parts for reproduction, that the time between a replacement is very short to the customer itself. So a lot of cloud-based innovations, which we are now highlighting here, also with a easy to use barcode, and these are the things we are doing right now as a new trend.
That's good. And what are the marketing strategies going forward in 2025? Also, what are the outcomes you generally witness regarding the CAD/CAM advanced solutions, especially in Indian market?
As I said before, in India market is coming in a very hype that we have omni-channel services available, So a cloud-based sales tool, as well as automated integration into the back end and communication via cloud service to customers. We will have in 25 a new version, a new release, which we'll call IX25, which we have developed much more detailed services to customers, especially for India, in communication between the customer, the manufacturer, and the installation team. So this kind of integration and this kind of data-driven services will be for us the upcoming future, especially also for India. By site, we will also raise up our services in India. So we have a service hub in 3 different cities in India. We have that in Bangalore, we have that in Mumbai, we have one in Delhi. And we will service customers not only by creating data, also we will service them more and more in technology-driven hotline services and also automation services.
So coming back to the woodworking exhibitions, 2025 is full of woodworking innovation exhibitions. So are you participating at Ligna this time? Ligna is celebrating 50 years. So what will be your strategies to celebrate this exhibition?
This time, Ligna will be for us the biggest show ever. We have a booth with 500 square meter, only full of technology. And for us in Ligna, it will be also the first outcome of AI technology together with imos. So we have an embedded AI solution right now available, which we will launch at Ligna in terms of having more services, workflows, and processes automated. And that will be the first outcome at Ligna, together with our new release of IX25. And for us, the Ligna is the most and the most important exhibition as a platform meeting customers from worldwide businesses. And that is, of course, for us, big step forward in 25. And we will love to have all you guys coming in, joining us in Ligna for see our latest developments we do in 25.
That's great. And thank you, Mr. Ingo, for interacting with Wooden Panel Europe, and we wish you all the best for the rest of the days. And thanks once again.
Thank you very much.